I would definitely highly recommend anybody who has a matte car or in general to come and get the PPF done. Right. Ankit had been really very helpful, so I would highly recommend.
Hi guys, welcome back, and today we have with us the Kia Seltos X-Line, which is in this grey matte finish. Like you saw earlier, we did the new Creta, which was in the same finish. So now Creta and the Seltos both have a matte finish in it. Now a very important thing, if you bought a matte car, the first thing you need to do is to protect it with matte PPF. Why? Because there is no turning back if you get any scratches, stone chips or any other kind of damage on the matte finish. Whereas on gloss, you can sand it or do paint correction. There are a variety of options available if you have a gloss paint to correct it, but with a matte, you've got zero options. So the best thing to do if you want to protect your car is to get the PPF done the moment it's out of the showroom. Like I told this client, you need to get the car to us as soon as possible before you start driving on the highway, because if there are small stone chips, those will be for life. You can't touch it up because the finish will not be the same. So what we're going to be doing is a full decontamination wash for the beginning, and we have to clear it. Because on a matte car you cannot do any paint correction, so the only important stage before you install PPF is to clear the car properly and to wash it so that the surface is completely clean and you don't have any undulations or contamination on the paint. So that's what you're going to be starting off with. Now another small thing that we're going to be doing on this car is to paint the logos which are there in gloss black to match the grille in the same color for the rear and the front as well, and putting on Garwale sun control film for all the windows to cut down the heat. So yeah, let's get started with the first process, which is the decontamination and cleaning wash. Guys, now what we're doing is the PPF application. Like you can see, we're in an enclosed space, which is very important when you're doing PPF, so that there is no dust or any other sort of contamination that comes in when you're doing PPF. So always remember, when you're giving your car, always check that you get it done in a dust-proof environment like this, which is very important for the finishing of the PPF. Otherwise, you're not going to get the accurate finish that you're looking for. There's always going to be something under the PPF, so ensure that's in an enclosed space. Now, with matte PPF, it becomes very important to provide the right kind of cuts to the panel. You cannot cut below the panel, otherwise you'll be able to see the lines of the PPF where it's been applied. And a good form of putting PPF, or a good way to put PPF, is to remove all the panels that you can and tuck in the PPF inside it. Let me show you. Like you can see here, the sheet will go inside and then the tail light will come on top of it, which would ensure that the PPF cut which comes in will not be visible when the tail light comes, so it'll look like there is no PPF on the paint. So like you can see on the door, we're doing a fine claying just before application of the PPF, so that if there is any contamination that comes off with this process, even after the wash, we do it 2 times, so that there is nothing left. When we apply the PPF, there is no undulation in the PPF that is seen. So another very important process. Now let's move to some shots of the PPF application so you can see how it's applied. So guys, you've seen the process from start to end. For all those who have the matte car, you've seen how it goes from start to end in terms of the process and what we've done on this car, which was the black logos and the matte PPF. So yeah, how important is it to protect the car from the start in case of matte? Why don't you tell everyone?
So it's really important because when you wash the car, there are a lot of swirl marks that will come on the car, and in case if somebody decides to rub the car, the paint will turn from matte to satin, and then it will turn gloss. So it was really important that we did the PPF on the matte car, and it is looking very beautiful actually.
Does it look a little different though?
It looks a little darker, that's for sure. But overall, I like the look.
But now you can be stress free.
Yes,
that now it's
definitely
protected.
Definitely.
And the logos, how does that look?
Logos also look really nice actually.
Now it matches with the grill, so you've got a
Yeah.
full black.
Yes.
So yeah. So overall, how would you recommend if someone had to come in and get it?
I would definitely highly recommend anybody who has a matte car or in general to come and get the PPF done.
Alright.
Ankit had been really very helpful, so I would highly recommend.
Thank you so much.